Okay, boredom drives you to do just useless stuff. I wanted a digital volt meter on my MSP, so I just did a quick fix. I'm using the charge port to read the voltage, but next time I take the beast apart, I'll install the meter flush with the side here, so it's not sticking out that much and it's not going to be using the charge port, and it's going to stay on all the time because it is using the charge port. But when I turn the wheel off and I'm not going to use it, I'll just pull the GX16 off and that will turn off. It's also good while you're riding. You can see, not that I would recommend looking at the digital meter, but as you're riding, it will, well, we are in sunlight, you can actually see your voltage dropping. I don't know if you guys can see it in the sun. I can. There you go. Another kind of useless contraption. But once I install it properly here, I think it will be worth it.